Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi Note 11 Pro. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. First of all, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Redmi, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. On it, click on all of those categories at the top and in them select those type of dots to pick multiple files from your category. You can also just tap on the chosen ones. In my case, this one file and maybe this photo. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom to access connection ways. Finally, hit Got it in the pop-up and select one of those ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon located next to Input key on Redmi. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers correctly, and choose Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo and my file were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!